I'm working on the old, I don't know what to call her, 84 model, I think. Anyway, I came up and put this on today. Got it finished. This is what we had in there. It was worn out, cracked. The top was glued down with silicone, so it couldn't open. Didn't know that. So I bought a crank. You know, as I bought a crank, I was going to replace the crank because all I knew was it just wouldn't go up. So anyway, this is what we got here. Low. 2, 3, 4. I got this fan for 130, I think it is. It just exhausts, but I think I'm happy with that. But I've heard you can take and put a switch and reverse the polarity and go backwards if you want to make it push down. Anyways, that's how it is. Here are the screenshots from my phone. This is the Amazon listing. It was discounted. I think I got it for $132. You're gonna have to pay $200 to get a reversible one. $220 for the fantastic one. But I like this one here. They say these MaxxFans move a little bit more air and they're less noisy. So check out all the videos. It wasn't too hard. There's videos on how to replace these, and I can just point that to you because there's no point in me going through and doing another install video. The output, the voltage, and the amperage adjustments are backwards from what's in this picture. Found that out the hard way, but it's not bad.